Pretty much every group of paintings that I make needs to feel in conversation with each other. But for the past couple shows that I've done, it feels like there's actually two families or two bloodlines, the figurative work, the figures and interiors. And I have had animals in my work for a number of years, and animals have now supplanted people, where there are paintings that just have animals in them, and maybe there's reference to the human body or the figure, but there's no actual humans in them. No Place in This Garden and Mother. The cat and her kittens are much more referential of the human and pulled into the human realm, whereas in No Place in This Garden, the snow leopards are inhabiting a much more emphatically non-human realm. But I'm very conscious of them being too much of a cipher for the human. But in this instance, I think Mother is very much a cipher for the human, and it's such a direct reference to the sexualized female in painting, but it's also a slap in the face because it's not a human. Within that is the realm of the mother, which is also so fraught with baggage and meaning and taboo and desire and revulsion and all of these things that are very much things that I think about a lot in my work. I was reading Louise Gluck poems, and there is a beautiful poem called The Doorway, where she talks about the sort of pause point before womanhood and the adolescent, the girl child sort of stopping at that doorway. And she's poised in between several portals, the doorway that we can't see that's casting light on part of her body and keeping part of her body in shadow, and the mirror that reflects her image incredibly and precisely, and the canvas behind her that is also a type of reflection of her movement. Yeah, so it's really thinking about identity and the convergences of all of these different points of pressure and portals of choice and movement. Be sure to check out I'll Be Your Mirror at the Seattle Art Museum through June 16th, 2024.